Welcome back to samaditech. In today's episode, we're diving into innovative tools designed to boost your efficiency. Join us as we showcase gadgets that seamlessly merge advanced technology with practical functionality, perfect for elevating any project. Festool Cordless Cutter is an excellent choice for mobile use during installation projects, delivering swift and accurate cuts on materials like mineral wool, natural fibers, and polyurethane foam. Its robust battery and brushless motor ensure quick and effortless operation. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, with rubberized grips, the tool offers comfortable handling even with one hand. Its flexibility is enhanced by the option to cut with or without a guide rail and its ability to perform straight or angled repeat cuts with ease. The cutter offers two adjustable cutting depths, 9.45 inches and 13.78 inches, which can be modified effortlessly using the quick change system, eliminating the need for additional tools. This makes it a versatile and reliable solution for insulation cutting tasks. Milwaukee Drill Shroud is a top-notch dust extraction solution, ideal for overhead drilling tasks. It can be used with or without a vacuum cleaner and features a universal fit compatible with most drills and SDS Plus drills up to 8 inches, including models with locking bits or anchor attachments. Its transparent cover ensures improved visibility and precision, while a secure locking mechanism allows for convenient storage at job sites. The compact folding design provides easy access to tight spaces while effectively capturing up to 99% of airborne dust. A durable spring keeps consistent contact with the surface for optimal dust retention, and the removable shroud sleeve allows for easy cleaning of accumulated dust, ensuring uninterrupted performance. This makes it a reliable tool for maintaining cleanliness and precision during drilling tasks. Stanley Surform Shaver is a versatile tool ideal for working with various materials. Its polypropylene body makes it lightweight, allowing you to work for extended periods without discomfort. Its compact 7.25-inch size ensures access to tight or awkward spaces, enhancing precision. The curved blade design is more than aesthetic. It effectively removes material from wood, plastic, or soft metal. This tool provides a smooth, self-propelled action, offering complete control and minimizing the risk of surface damage or scratches. Changing the blade is straightforward, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're smoothing out irregularities, removing excess material, or shaping your project, this shaver is a reliable companion for woodworking, plastic crafting, or restoration tasks. Its balance of functionality and ease of use makes it an essential addition to your toolkit. Woodpecker SGWP is a precision-engineered tool tailored for achieving accurate alignment in woodworking projects. Its thoughtful design simplifies measuring the distance between the saw blade and guide bar, ensuring clean, straight cuts with minimal effort. The tool adapts automatically to the width of the miter gauge slot, thanks to 3 precision steel pins that provide a secure fit and smooth glide. Quick adjustments are facilitated by slots at the bottom of the gauge body, allowing for consistent and repeatable range settings. Equipped with a dial indicator featuring a 1-inch stroke, 1,000-inch graduations, and a revolution counter, the tool offers high-precision readings. The adjustable scale and bezel enhance usability, ensuring precise measurements every time. Constructed from durable materials, the SGWP is built to endure the demands of daily woodworking tasks. Its compact design makes it easy to transport and store, making it an indispensable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Fluke Thermal Imager is built to endure tough environments, withstanding drops from up to 2 meters and featuring an IP54 rating for water and dust resistance. This tool is designed to be your dependable companion in crucial moments, helping you excel as a preventative maintenance professional. One standout feature is asset tagging. Simply scan the QR code on the equipment, and the thermal images are automatically organized, saving valuable time. You can record up to 60 seconds of voice memos per image, ensuring detailed documentation, and include equipment identifiers, alongside thermal photos for clarity. Connecting the device to your computer sorts images by asset effortlessly, streamlining your workflow. This isn't just a thermal imager, it's a reliable and efficient assistant in the world of thermal inspections. Dewalt Organizer Tablet is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts. Its exterior features a convenient writing surface with an integrated 180-degree LED flashlight, ensuring clear visibility in any workspace. Two sturdy metal clips keep important documents securely in place. Inside, the organizer includes a durable nylon compartment to neatly store papers, drawings, or manuals, helping to maintain order on the go. The tablet's automatic latch mechanism enables effortless one-handed opening, while a zippered interior pocket offers additional storage for smaller items. Designed for durability, the product is equipped with rubber corner bumpers, providing extra protection against wear and tear. Moreover, it seamlessly integrates with the T-Stack storage system, allowing users to attach it to T-Stack boxes for efficient organization and easy transport. BATTIPAV Pulse, a professional handheld electric tile vibrator designed to eliminate air pockets beneath tiles. This tool doesn't just vibrate, it helps spread adhesive evenly, ensuring better tile adhesion. With 5 adjustable vibration levels, you can customize it to suit your needs. Equipped with a built-in vacuum suction cup, it not only removes trapped air, but also allows you to lift and carry tiles weighing up to 25 kilograms, ideal for large tile formats used indoors or outdoors. Its adjustable handle ensures comfortable use during extended tasks. Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery with a 2-amp-hour capacity, it offers motor speeds ranging from 500 to 12,000 RPM. The 130mm suction cup ensures a secure grip on tiles. The package includes a transport case, battery charger, and corner pad, making it a convenient and versatile tool for professional tiling jobs. Fastback Pro Auto Mechanics Bench is an essential tool for any automotive repair shop. Its 3 7-inch wheels allow smooth movement in all directions, whether you're working indoors on concrete or outdoors on gravel. Featuring 2 powerful magnetized LED lights, the bench ensures excellent illumination, even in the darkest spaces under a vehicle. With 2 adjustable height settings, you can easily adapt it for low or high positions, making it suitable for uneven surfaces. Its ergonomic design enhances comfort, while the sturdy wheels provide stability and effortless maneuverability. Constructed from durable bumper-grade materials, the bench includes a padded headrest for extra comfort and built-in tool trays for convenience. Supporting up to 400 pounds, this bench is the perfect addition to any mechanic's workspace.